So I have the situation where I got a property under contract that I was going to wholesale for 85 grand.
Nice.
It's a great property. It needs really, really little repair, but it's in the middle of freaking nowhere. So my problem is that I've spoken to a few wholesalers. I try to partner up, but it just location of it so remote that I haven't been able to find a buyer. And the closing is on 26th of March.
Wow.
So I'm thinking is like right now I'm in a position where it's 85 grand. It needs maximum 5 grand in repairs. Like I've been there myself, so I've seen it. I try to go the hard money lender loan, going back to the hard money, but the problem is not many can lend less than 100,000. That's like their cap.
Yeah.
So my question is, and so if I do get it, and if I do want to flip it really quick, my fear is that what if I sell it? Well, I mean, putting in the market, selling it will take longer than me paying up the hard money. So, what do you guys think?
One, if you can't find someone to wholesale it to right now, it might not be the greatest deal, or the community knows something you don't know. That's one. Number two, if you can't find a buyer right now, and this isn't to bring you down, this is to have that in your mind. Just super double, triple check that you'll be able to sell it once it's rehabbed. Because in smaller towns, there might be smaller markets. Adam, my business partner in Bluebird, has found this out to be very frustrating with these little towns. Yes, there's great $12,000 returns, but it's really hard to find a buyer because everyone and their mom is either related or knows each other. That's number two. So I would just make sure that there's a market for rehabbed properties in that area. And the way you'll know that is if the property's accumulating population or is the population decreasing. That's going to really give you that answer. I would shoot really, really hard to wholesale it before you take it down. And if you take it down, I would challenge you to partner with somebody within at least the state of where it's at. Those are kind of like my prereqs when I'm doing deals with wholesaling stuff.
Okay. How do you check the population if it's going up or down? Is there
You can Google, usually it's on the city website, what it was last year to the year before to the year before, and just see if it's an increase or a decrease or if it's flat. Those are some things that I would look into. Are taxes going up in that city or are taxes going down? Is property value going up or is it going down? What's the percent that it's going up at? Things like that.